The world has witnessed the spectacular launch of the Vivo V40 series, a smartphone line infused with cutting-edge technology and innovation. As the curtains lifted, excitement electrified the air, with fans and tech enthusiasts alike eager to explore what these new devices have to offer. This series promises a powerful blend of aesthetics and functionality, setting a new benchmark in the smartphone industry. At first glance, the Vivo V40 series dazzles with its sleek design and vibrant colors that catch the light at every angle. The phones are crafted with precision, combining glossy finishes and ergonomic shapes that feel comfortable in the hand. The display, a stunning Amoled screen, bursts to life with vivid colors, ensuring an immersive viewing experience whether you're gaming, browsing, or streaming your favorite series. The heart of the V40 series lies in its performance. Equipped with a powerful processor and ample RAM, users can expect lightning-fast multitasking capabilities and smooth navigation through apps. The introduction of advanced cooling technology ensures that the devices maintain peak performance even during intense gaming or heavy usage, with little to no lag. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled by the enhanced camera systems integrated into the V40 series. The multi-lens setups are engineered to capture stunning images, even in challenging lighting conditions, featuring a high-resolution primary sensor, ultra-wide-angle lens, and advanced night mode. Every shot is transformed into a work of art, revealing intricate details and vibrant colors, effectively immortalizing memories. Moreover, the Vivo V40 series prioritizes battery life with robust batteries designed to last throughout the day, offering quick charging capabilities for users on the go. Whether you're in the midst of a busy workday or enjoying a long night out, these devices ensure you stay connected without the constant worry of battery drain. In addition to stellar hardware, the V40 series integrates software enhancements tailored to elevate user experience. Intuitive interfaces, personalized settings, and innovative features make daily tasks easier and more enjoyable. With advanced security options and seamless connectivity, these smartphones are designed for the modern user, meeting both personal and professional needs effortlessly. In conclusion, the launch of the Vivo V40 series marks a significant milestone in the evolution of smartphones. This series encapsulates the perfect fusion of style, performance, and innovation, setting a new standard that will inspire upcoming smartphone designs. Get ready to experience technology like never before with the Vivo V40 series. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more exciting content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Your support means a lot, so thank you once again.